What's up guys, SHARE here. So it is an iPhone 15 Ultra smartphone. The layout of the new flagship Apple was first shown on video and compared with the iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphone. The physical iPhone 15 Ultra mock-up shows off ridiculously thin bezels. The 3D model reveals the biggest design upgrades. Apple apparently plans to elevate its premium smartphones to a new level. With a device called the iPhone 15 Ultra model, there are plenty of rumors about what to expect from the new handset, plus mock-ups based on the said rumors and schematics. But now, thanks to a video unbox therapy on YouTube, featuring an alleged 3D model of the iPhone 15 Ultra smartphone, we have a look at what the device might look like in the real world. Until the name is decided, the well-known YouTube channel Unbox Therapy has published a 20 minutes video demonstrating the layout of Apple's promising flagship smartphone. The video is titled, "This is the iPhone 15 Ultra," but no one knows yet what this smartphone will actually be called. The options are iPhone 15 Ultra, iPhone 15 Ultra Max, or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Lewis Hill Sentiger, the host of the YouTube channel, did not explain where the layout was taken from, but most likely it was obtained from the manufacturers of peripherals. And in the first place covers, without such life-size models, they cannot prepare for the release of the accessories that exactly match the new product. During the video, Lewis noted that this is not the last layout of the iPhone 15, which will be at his disposal. This is a hint that soon the video will be show what other representatives of the lines will look like. As for the iPhone 15 Ultra model, the video confirmed everything that was said 10 days ago. Then, we recall, it was clarified that instead of solid-state tactile button, the device will receive ordinary keys. They are shown on the layout and next to the video of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. For comparison, as you can see, the proprietary mute switch has been replaced with a button. Also clearly demonstrated is a significantly reduced screen frame and a USB-C port instead of the proprietary Lightning. The more dramatic change is demonstrated in the width of the bezels, as demonstrated in the video. While tough to measure, Hill Sentiger used a pair of digital calipers to come up with a figure of 1.55 mm, a big drop on the 2.17 mm frame on the iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphone. It does not make an impact, he said. It does feel futuristic. It is expected that the new iPhone 15 line will officially launch in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.